Hey there! Let's see how to use delay to make your workflow smarter. Let's start with an example. When a new contact is created in HubSpot, we first enrich the record using Apollo. But instead of assigning the contact immediately, we use a 5-minute delay to give the workflow time to process. Once the analysis is complete, the workflow automatically updates the HubSpot contact and assigns it to the right owner. Let's build this step by step. Click the Start trigger to begin setting up your workflow. Now search for HubSpot and select it as your trigger app. Browse through the available events and select New Contact. Once that's done, click Continue to move forward. Here's the key step. Click the Delay button to add a delay to your workflow. For the delay type, select Delay for Relative Duration. This tells the workflow to pause for a fixed amount of time before moving on. Now enter your duration value in the duration field. This is exactly how long your workflow will wait before it continues. After entering duration as 5, open the unit dropdown and select minutes. All set? Click Continue to lock in your delay configuration. Now click the Apps button. Search for HubSpot and bring it back in as the last action in your workflow. Select Update Contact. This will write it back directly to the existing contact record in HubSpot. Map the fields to assign contact owner. And just like that, your workflow is complete. A new contact enters HubSpot. The workflow pauses for 5 minutes. Apollo enriches the record with company size and region data, and the right contact owner gets assigned automatically. The delay wasn't just a pause, it was the breathing room your workflow needed to make smarter decisions. That's intelligent automation in action.